Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. I wanted to hop on really quick and do a flip through of the Happy Life sticker book, which I believe is exclusive to Hobby Lobby. I was able to find one at my Hobby Lobby very recently, and actually I was going to use it in the spread I'm filming next today, but I thought I haven't been able to find a flip through of it, so I thought I would do a quick flip through for you guys. And get it posted right away. So here we go. Obviously these boxes are for a classic. They've got some gold foil on paper. Very bright sticker book. Lots of spring colors. I like that there's lots of green on these stickers. This one looks kind of fall. This one does not have the gold foil. Got some square boxes here. These would be good in maybe some calendar pages. Again with the spring. I'm thinking of using these in my Easter spread in my vertical catch-all. That's why for next week. So I thought I would flip through before I used any. These are pretty. Look at these. They look like sunshines. I can see using some of these in as my fact of the day boxes. Oh, beautiful. So this is a clear page full of quotes. I will fill my heart with happy things. We're getting some different quotes in this one. And lots of different fonts, actually. This is a new font, I think. Or maybe an old font that they brought back. We got some sticker strips. These are paper with quotes on them. Love that. I love that. You guys, if you follow me, you know that I like to put big, long quotes in my as a weekend banner and in my wellness planner across the bottoms of the pages. So that's good to see. Some nice long, very, very long boxes. I've seen some people comment that these are too long for the left-hand side of a vertical planner. I believe these were meant originally to be used on calendar pages on the left-hand side. That's why they're so super tall. Now that they don't include the calendar though on the weekly verticals, these fit there as well now. So pretty. Okay, these, we've got some gold bullet points. These are, they're like, I don't know if you can see, they've got a little point like a thought bubble right there. So they are, yeah, they're like little thought bubbles. These would be good in a wellness planner. I am valuable, I am honest. I am trustworthy. I believe in me. I am worthy. I am strong. I deserve the best. I respect myself. I am courageous. That's cool. They don't seem to be repeating themselves really. That's great. I love that page. This is a great wellness planner page. More boxes with quotes. Lots of quotes in this book. I will follow my heart. I will not let my thoughts control the way I feel. I like this. The colors are not my first love as far as a color palette goes. I don't gravitate toward these super bright colors, but I really like the quotes so far. Here's a couple more really long boxes. Some big double boxes. I am worthy of good things. I could see using these in my dashboard planner on the left-hand side. Okay, we got another clear page with a bunch of gold quotes. What's coming is better than what is gone. That's a good one in the time of COVID. More paper, some action words. More double boxes on paper. There's another page of the big round stickers. The other one had gold accents. This one is just plain, but they're all paper. More paper. Hooray for today. Love this life. Rest and relax. Do all the things. So each row basically is the same quote repeated. Some, as everybody says, tombstone boxes. Paper. More paper. Okay, this one's clear. Strong heart, brave spirit. One step at a time. I love that. You were born to fly. Some paper boxes. I've never understood, like, how are you going to write even one single to-do? I guess if you wrote laundry in there, that one word is about all that could fit in there. Okay, we got a page of numbers in the same matching color palette. These are clear. And a page of letters in the color palette. And another page of letters. So I'm noticing these start out yellow and these start out red. So they did alternate the color palette on those. So that's nice. They're all clear. We got a page more quotes in little rectangles on paper. I grow continually. I attract good things. I am focused today. I release negativity. I can do this. I love who I am. So they're all different again. That's great. More paper. Double boxes on paper. Another page of tombstones. More self-care boxes and teeny tiny little to-do boxes, circles. Oh yeah, we got another strip of paper quotes. It seems like a lot of duplicate pages in this book. It's okay though. It never hurts to have 2 copies of everything. I choose peace. I feel my spirit. I feed my spirit. I train my body. I focus my mind. It's my time. These just seem like they'd be great wellness quotes. Anyway, that is the Happy Life sticker book that is available at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobbies are starting to put things out, so if it's quite a drive for you, I recommend calling first and asking to speak to someone in the paper craft area. I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you decide if it's worth your time and investment to go grab one of these books. If it does, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.